Hey, we are here in North Scottsdale with our friend Ryan Dockrell of Beyond Audio. We're checking out this awesome Just Video wall, 0.9, 156-inch, huge display that they're putting in here at their showroom. But Ryan has also said that he's got a really cool customer house that he wants to show us as well, so let's go check it out. Hey, what's up, Ryan?
Skyler, how are you?
Good to see you, man.
Good to see you too.
Yeah, thanks for having me here.
Yeah, thanks for coming.
This
Welcome.
is an awesome showroom, dude.
Yeah, thank you very much.
We're working with you on the video wall, and you
been about 2 weeks now. We've been playing with it.
Yeah.
Got some art on it right now.
This
so
looks amazing, man. Looks really cool.
It turned out pretty awesome, so we're pretty happy.
She looks very happy.
She does. She does. Yeah, we got a lot of things coming up. We're working on some cool videos and just some different ways to use the wall, so
yeah,
it's gonna be good. So yeah.
Cool.
I'll give you a little tour around.
All right.
Check it out.
Where do we start?
I guess the control system. We got Crestron and Control 4, so we do both those.
Okay.
Obviously, you know, you can change the video wall, put Apple TV on it, cable, whatever you want.
Wow. Yeah.
Sources. We got about 7 sources hooked up on this, so
right.
Both Crestron and Control 4, you can control, you know, lights, audio, video, climate control, shades, gates, pool, security, basically.
Wow.
You know, tie all their systems into one, make it just easy for them, so they don't have to pull up their phone and pull up 5 different apps.
Yeah.
And then in here we got audio zones in here.
Yeah,
we have.
I see the end ceiling speakers up here.
Yeah, the Focals right there.
Okay. Focal is one of your main.
Yeah, it's one of our
brands?
go-to. Yeah.
Okay.
One of my favorites.
What did you do for speakers over here?
We got Sonance in-walls invisibles, so they're in the mounted in there.
So they did like the kind of light coat of plaster.
Yeah, there's like 1/8 inch over it. There's a sub in the bottom on each side.
Wow.
And then left and right. So.
Okay, so that's worth mentioning, right? Like, so tell me about your customer. Like, who's gonna buy this kind of stuff?
I mean, obviously our clients are more higher end homes and custom homes, so everything we do is 100% custom for every project, every customer.
Yeah.
Depending on their needs, and you know, designers obviously they don't want to see technology, so
right.
We try and hide it as well as we can. So,
yeah.
Which is one of the great things about the video walls. You can turn it into artwork and make it disappear.
Right. Yeah. You said you were going to do something with the slats on this video wall to, I guess, hide it even more.
Yeah, we have some graphics being designed to basically make it look like part of those slat walls, so you don't even know it's there. So
that's cool. Custom is the word, right? Like, this is the idea: is you want to experience the technology, but seeing it kind of pulls you out and takes you out of,
seeing is believing, especially with these video walls. People don't even know what to see, what to expect.
Yeah.
So.
And that's why we're here. That's why you have a showroom, right?
Exactly.
Cool.
Yeah. And then everything that we do, you know, basically goes back in rack. So everything goes in there. All the video sources, amplifiers, MadVR, which is processing the video wall.
MadVR is awesome, dude.
Yeah, we love it.
We really like them on the video walls because of, you know, the nonlinear stretching.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a game changer.
It's done an awesome job.
This isn't 16:9, is it?
No, I think it's 205, I think. So
yeah.
It's halfway between.
Right.
So
that helps because you can take that 16:9 content or even, you know, wider and kind of sort of restructure it without stretching it.
Yeah. It does it all on the fly, which is incredible.
Yeah.
Power conditioning, processors, surround sound audio control for this room. So yeah, everything's nicely put into the rack, and video distribution, audio distribution, full networks, Wi-Fi, cameras, power shades.
And this is pretty much standard for all your clients.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Really nice.
Thank you.
Nice work.
Thank you. And then back here, we got our conference room, do our meetings. Usually we'll bring in customers' plans.
Yeah, this is a cool room. So you'll do plans for customers in here?
Mark them up, figure out what they want to do in their house.
Oh, I see you've got a track here.
Yeah, custom door slides into the wall.
That's cool.
So you need a little privacy, just slide it open. So
yeah,
it's pretty nice. Yeah. Then back here, we just got a little kitchen, a little food, and then our warehouse.
This is the warehouse, huh?
One of the vans lives here.
This is a clean warehouse.
That's not bad.
Looks like you've got inventory for cabling out there and everything. Everything's nice and organized. And
just video wall crates.
Yeah, you got our crates here. Yeah, this is funny. You know, our customers really love these crates, and they keep them. They keep them around and use them for a lot of different things.
Yeah, they were very well packaged, so nothing got damaged, which is obviously important. So
what I would love to see is one of your jobs. Can we go to one of the houses that you've
done? Sure. Let's do it. Want to go now?
Man. Yeah, let's go.
All right, let's go.
All right. so walk me through this home. Obviously, it's a lot to take in right now, but you guys have, it looks like you've done a lot of work in this house. Everything's kind of finished. It's all hidden away. So what all's in this home? What have you done here?
So we put in Control4 system as the automation system. We got video distribution by AV Pro, audio control for the audio. We got Lutron lighting in here, integrated into their shades, pool connection. We got the new Halo remotes for all the control of the TVs.
Nice. Yeah.
Put in full cal speakers out throughout the whole property.
Yeah. You've got this big TV on the wall. That's the first thing that I see in terms of technology. So what is it that we have on the wall over here?
It's a 98-inch Sony TV.
Okay.
Tied back, we got in the rack, we got an audio control receiver.
Yeah.
Surround sound.
Yeah. So what I'm seeing here is there's nothing else. Like, I don't see any technology other than the TV.
Yeah, we're trying to keep everything nice and hidden, so
okay.
You know, the designers, they don't like to see speakers.
Right,
so
yeah.
the more hidden we can do, the better, so.
Yeah, so I don't see, yeah, you don't see speakers, there's not even a sound bar. Obviously, there's not a source, like you can't see an Apple TV on any.
Yeah, video distribution back in the rack, so.
Right, yeah, okay. So everything is all centered in the rack?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So each room has their own that they can.
Yeah, they can share them or turn every TV onto the same one if they want. Or,
wow.
So, yeah.
That's awesome, man. Since you don't have like a sound bar, how's the audio coming in?
So the rears are in the ceiling and the fronts are just invisible speakers in the.
Okay, so like where are they?
Just on the left and right.
You've got one over there and then you've got one over here?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, you can't see anything.
Yeah, no.
That's amazing. What's the brand that does that?
Sonance.
Sonance.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you just drive all right over them and.
Yeah, and I imagine the architecture or the architecture.
Love those,
yeah, it's like, because I mean, even it's having an architectural speaker is nice, right? Because it's obviously flat. Like I see over here, it looks like we've got a
in-wall subwoofer.
Subwoofer.
Yeah.
This is Sonance as well.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is still a lot better than having a speaker out in the room.
Yeah. Yeah. Everything in this house is done to the top notch for sure.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. All very nice furniture package. We got touchscreens all throughout the property. I think we have 7 of them.
Okay.
So they can control everything anywhere they go.
Do they also have like an app that they can use?
Yeah, so the Control4 app, you
okay.
can see it anywhere in the world and check in on the home.
So they can log in even if they're on an island somewhere and they've got an internet connection and just see what all's happening.
Yeah, make sure the lights are off and doors are locked. And
yeah. What about, I was going to ask, what about security? Like,
there's 8 cameras in here.
8 cameras in this home.
So
wow.
You can make sure all the doors are closed and no one's in the pool.
So again, they know they can have, their home can be observed and make sure everything's going.
That's a big thing, especially when they have multiple homes, right? They want to be able to check in and just make sure everything's all right. So
that's great.
Yeah.
Yeah. So tell me about the 16 zones. You mentioned you've got 16 zones of audio in this house.
Every room has it. Every bedroom, nook, office.
Got them in there.
Porch. We got the nook porch. We got landscape speakers. They're actually going in next week.
Wow.
So that's going to be the final outdoor zone.
Okay.
Control the pool, temperature.
Well, I want to see where all this stuff is controlled from. Can we go check that out? Where's that at?
It's in the rack down the hall.
All right, let's go check it out. Oh yeah.
Full mid-Atlantic rack, a router, network switches, PoE, IC real-time recorder, processors, I/O controls, watt boxes, so we can reboot anything from anywhere if the customer has a problem.
Okay, so like if the customer calls and says, hey, like my TV is not working, or like, my network's not working or whatever, they can just call you and it doesn't matter where you are. Yeah. You can reboot
Log in and reboot any individual port on the switch or on the watt box power. So we can almost fix like honestly 95% of problems without rolling a truck. So
wow. Yeah. So that's this component here.
Yeah, there's 2. We got one here and one behind there. So
what are these units right here?
Those are the Cox boxes, cable boxes.
And then you're just using Apple TVs for most of the other sources.
4 Apple TVs, yeah.
Got it.
That's a sub-amplifier, and then we got a triad 16 zone matrix, and then we have a 4 zone and 8 zone, and another outdoor audio zone down there. So
wow. Okay.
We put in coastal audio outside.
Yeah, man, this is a backyard, dude. You cannot, that is a Phoenix view.
Yeah, it's amazing.
My goodness.
Mountains in the back are just incredible.
Amazing. Tell me about the other technology.
We did 2 outdoor TVs, we did a 75-inch and a 65-inch Samsung, so There's a terraced TV, so they're made for outside.
Yep.
Especially here in the desert, it gets very hot. So.
Yeah. So clearly, people are wanting to enjoy their outdoor space. You know, get the TVs out here, be able to watch movies while you're in the pool, watch your favorite TV show, that kind of thing.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Yeah.
And we're putting in a bunch of landscape speakers and a sub in that corner.
Nice.
Next week, so we're
and
gonna
those are going to be
off.
the coastal source again.
Yeah, we'll get those in there, and then maybe we'll talk to them about putting a big video wall in the
back.
back.
Yeah, man. That'd be perfect.
Put
Right there along the sides. You can enjoy the view, sit here, kick it. It's not a bad way to hang out outside.
Yeah, that'd be good.
Yeah, man. So
nice and bright.
Well,
so
I'll tell you what, Ryan, man, we're just so happy to be a part of this journey with you, dude, and just seeing the quality of the work that you guys do. Like, I'm very excited to be partnering with Beyond Audio, and excited to see, you know, what kind of creative stuff you can do with the video walls, man.
Yeah, awesome. It's gonna be good.
Cool. Well, thanks, man. Thanks for showing us around.
Yeah, thank you.
All right.